Okay, we're here carrying out a quarterly service on one of our yearly service customers' 3D DC inverter multi-zone air conditioning systems. This system's been installed for approximately nearly 3 years now. Obviously it's always been on the yearly service plan, so every time we come, we clean the condensing unit inside and out, make sure the condenser coil is clean, check the drains. Obviously we put it on a test cycle as well, so all 4 zones are tested from the standard settings. All the fridge lines are encased in aluminum in this one. Yeah, absolutely. Beautiful installation. We're going to go inside now and just check all the three high wall cassette zones, and we have 1 ceiling cassette in the master bedroom as a zone. This is the 18,000 BTU ceiling cassette in the master bedroom, and also has a micro duct off for the walk-in closet.